What if you could ditch the reading glasses and see the world in vibrant clarity again? Did you know nature has its own treasure trove of vision-boosting herbs right at your fingertips? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of herbal remedies for eye health, exploring 8 incredible plants that can nourish your peepers and potentially improve your vision. Like and share the video to support the growth of our channel and help the YouTube algorithm recommend our videos to more people. If you get value from this video, make sure you subscribe for more. Comment, health is wealth, and let's get started with the 8 natural remedies for vision preservation and repair. 1. Lutine ZX Anin Duo. Nature's sunglasses. Imagine tiny sunglasses protecting your eyes from harmful light. That's what Lutine ZX Anin, found in marigolds and goji berries, do. These carotenoids act like a natural shield, filtering out blue light and supporting healthy macula function. Think of them as an internal sunscreen for your eyes. 2. Bilberry, the European champion. Bilberry has been revered for centuries in Europe for its eye-loving properties. Packed with anthocyanins, these powerful antioxidants improve blood flow to the eyes, potentially aiding night vision and reducing eye fatigue. Remember those late-night study sessions? Bilberry could be your new best friend. 3. Ibite, the herb with a telling name. Ever heard of a herb named after what it does? Ibite isn't just clever marketing. This little wonder, traditionally used in eye washes, possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated eyes and even help with allergies. So, ditch the itchy red eyes and say hello to soothing Ibite. 4. Ginko Baloba, memory booster with eye benefits. This ancient Chinese herb isn't just for memory anymore. Ginko Baloba, with its unique flavonoids, improves blood circulation, which can benefit not only your brain but also your eyes. Increased blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your precious peepers, potentially promoting eye health and reducing age-related vision decline. 5. Goji Berries, tiny red gems for eye health. These ruby red berries aren't just delicious, they're packed with vision-boosting nutrients. Goji berries are rich in zeaxanthin, lutein, and vitamins A and C, all essential for protecting your eyes from free radical damage and supporting overall eye health. Plus, they're a tasty snack, so what's not to love? 6. Saffron, the golden spice for eye power. Saffron, the world's most expensive spice, isn't just for fancy dishes. This golden gem contains powerful antioxidants like crocin, which studies suggest may help protect against age-related macular degeneration. So, while a pinch might be pricey, its potential benefits for your vision could be priceless. 7. Turmeric, the anti-inflammatory all-star. This vibrant yellow spice isn't just trendy. It's a powerhouse of curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various eye conditions, and turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties may offer potential benefits for eye health. Think of it as an internal bodyguard for your precious peepers. 8. Ashwagandha, the adaptogen for eye stress. Feeling stressed? It can affect your vision too. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, helps your body manage stress, which can indirectly benefit your eye health. By reducing stress hormones, ashwagandha may help improve sleep quality, which in turn can reduce eye strain and fatigue. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let ashwagandha work its magic. Remember, these herbs are not miracle cures, but incorporating them into your diet or using them as directed can be a natural way to support your eye health and potentially improve your vision. Remember, consistency is key. So, explore these herbal wonders, consult your healthcare provider if needed, and let's all work towards seeing the world in vibrant clarity. Ready to see more clearly and naturally? These herbs might just be the missing piece. But that's not all. For even more health and wellness tips, take a peek at the other inspiring videos on your screen right now. And, if you want to be the first to see our latest eye-opening discoveries, simply hit that subscribe button and join the community. Now, it's your turn. Like and share this video with your friends. In the comments below, Share your favorite eye care tips or tricks, or tell us which herb from this list you're most curious about trying. Let's create a community of eye health enthusiasts together.